Hi and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets on Monday the 11th of August. Going to move on to sterling dollar now. And I spoke just earlier about this euro recovery that we've got potentially in process, but there's nothing really that you can point to on this sterling chart that suggests that we're going to get any real bounce of any substance. You've got this big downtrend that we've had over the past 4 weeks that continues to drag sterling lower. Had a sharp down day on Friday when the euro had a sharp recovery, and today you've had a little bit of a bounce, but nothing major. But you're still well within this downtrend, and that downtrend currently comes in at 68.40. In terms of the momentum indicators, there's nothing really to move on. MACD line's still very bearish, stochastic's bearish. The only thing you'd argue is that RSI is basically around 30, which might just suggest that limited downside potential. But as I said, there's nothing really going on, and it just looks like it's going to continue to come back and retest this 67.37 mark, and then ultimately that 66.90 area, around that 67 big figure seems to be a fairly key area of support in the medium term. But this downtrend that we've got over the past month just suggests we're going to be dragging lower. Really, there's nothing to be positive about the near to medium term basis of outlook. Here we go on the hourly chart. You've got all the momentum indicators looking pretty weak, just unwinding now with this recent just slight bounce today, but the RSI continues to pull back towards 30, drop down into the mid 50s, and MACD lines well into negative territory. Stochastics quickly moving up towards that overbought level. So there's nothing really to be positive about the momentum indicators on the hourly chart, and also the moving averages as well, all falling in bearish sequence. So I just think that this recovery that we're seeing in sterling is just going to ultimately produce another selling opportunity. You'd be looking at 68.10, if I can get that crosshair going. 68.10 is where we start to find the resistance of that old support, and in terms of the daily chart, you'd say 68.40 is where that downtrend comes in. So I just think that at the moment this is just going to be another chance to ultimately have a selling opportunity. But I wish you good luck in your trading on sterling today. In terms of just very quickly, in terms of how you would play a reversal in this sterling chart, you wouldn't really want to be long of this chart until you'd get a move above that 68.90 mark, I think, which was just a point at which the 2 day rally just petered out last week. So 68.90 is really where we're sort of looking at in terms of a recovery, and that's another 100 pips on the upside. So it's quite a long way away before you'd even start to really get interested in going long sterling again, and even then I think there's significant overhead resistance again coming in. So I just think that selling the strength into sterling is the way to go. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.